they took a year and a half just about to come to a charging decision in all those days and weeks and months to try to sort this thing out and do the right thing, whatever that was, either not charging him or charging him. And then they make an announcement that they're going to announce their decision after that year and a half. And they make the whole world, you know, stand by for the decision. And then when it comes out, they stick by it. But then slowly but surely, they realize they erred in the statute. His lawyers did a great job catching that with the penalty. They couldn't retroactively give him the penalty they wanted to attach to it. And his lawyers got a quick win off the bat that we reported. And then it seemed like some pressure was being put on the team by his team of attorneys. And now suddenly a withdrawal? Jamie White, what do you think of this? We've got your audio back up, thankfully. Yeah. Your take, please.
You know, I talked on this show, I think, a year ago about this case, and I did not like it to begin with. I thought it was an overreach, at least based on what's been publicly reported. Involuntary manslaughter doesn't require intent, so to speak, but it requires some level of interaction outside of what would otherwise be normative behavior. And, you know, on the set, at least what's been publicly reported, there was no way for anybody to know that there was a live round in that weapon. So, you know, this was a horrible accident. Horrible accidents oftentimes do result in involuntary manslaughter charges, but there was just not enough there, in my opinion, to hold this charge. In my opinion, and I said this on your show a year ago, you know, when you have a high-profile case such as Mr. Baldwin, there was a lot of pressure to go forward, and sometimes motivations can get blurred by the way of prosecutions when there's TV cameras on and high-profile individuals. I don't know if that's what happened here, but I do think it was an overreach, and I think the dismissal was the right call.